It's still very proud to be a part of the Seco Sana family. Kasi ako, masarap na talaga magpagkita ng isang brand, or maging endorser na isang brand that became like a Filipino style staple na, diba? They really make that. So, very accessible, very Filipino collection. And you really love the Heritage Collection. Kasi it's like, you know, parang honoring the past, but also embracing the present. Parang, I think it's very timely, especially because they're celebrating their anniversary. Yes, sabi nila dalawa, siguro, ito yung kapag may office ka pero hindi ka masyadong hectic. So,